Welcome to Good Bull Dumpster Company, your premier destination for hassle-free and cost-effective waste management solutions in the vibrant town of Fairview, Texas. Immerse yourself in the efficient world with our standout service, which specializes in cheap dumpster rental in Fairview, Texas. Our dumpsters are not just receptacles. They symbolize a perfect fusion of affordability and reliability, ensuring your waste disposal needs are met precisely. At Good Bull Dumpster Company, we understand that excellence in waste management doesn't have to break the bank. Our services go beyond the ordinary, offering cheap dumpster rental in Fairview, Texas, without compromising quality. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, a commercial project, or a community event, our dumpsters come in various sizes to cater to your specific needs, making waste removal a seamless and budget-friendly experience. Discover the convenience at your fingertips by visiting our website at www.goodbulldumpsterrental.com or dialing 469-358-3503. Good Bull Dumpster Company isn't just about dumpsters, it's about transforming waste management into a streamlined process where affordability meets efficiency. Join us in creating a cleaner and greener Fairview, one dumpster rental at a time.